Alright, today's video is about an early Christmas present that I saw in one of the hardware stores. It was on sale for half price. This is the Zippo. It says it's an all-in-one kit. It's got a brass lighter, which is really nice. It's got 4 ounces of lighter fluid, and it's got some flints. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 extra flints in that package. That was really nice. And of course, Zippo has a lifetime guarantee. And I also got a challenge from a friend of mine who said this master lock was too small to pick. It is a, let's see, there is the California warning. So it has one padlock enclosed, made in China. For some reason it's got a Lake Forest, Illinois zip code on that thing. And the number of the lock is 4120KA WWG key 213. Let's take a look at this little bitty lock. So here is the lock, and here is a Swiss Army knife. One of the smaller Swiss Army standard knives. It's like half as big as that. And here's a Master 140. And you can see how small that thing is. And here is a Master shuttle lock. It's got no number, but it looks like it would fit right in that section there. So let's see if we can get this thing open. Doing some picking on it. Here is the key. It's got 2 keys. That's the key. It's got a really small keyway. And it does work. With the key. And my friend said it's too small to even get tools in. And actually he was right about that. I can get the turning tool in, but I can't get a pick in there. So what I'm going to try to do is pick this thing without a turning tool. And there is the Master V-line 20mm. You see where it's made. Yeah, it's a nice looking little lock, but let's see if we can get this open just using this little hook. I'm just going to slide it in the keyway, move the keys around, or the pins around a little bit. Just going to work on the keys a little, or the pins a little bit. Okay, there we go. So I got it open using this hook, but I'm going to try again with another hook, even a more subtle. Let's try it with this one here. Again, I'm just going to push down on the pin, or the pins a little bit. And just shake it around, and there it is again. That was pretty easy. I'm going to try one more time with something that's not even a pick. It's a broken pick. Try the same technique. Push down on the pins a little bit and shake it around back end, and that's open once again, so that lock is really not too small to pick. Just takes a different technique. So today we're going to give a little cowbell to maybe a Swiss Army knife. That's a nice little tool, one of my favorite, and it definitely could use some cowbell. Knuckle bump.